So guys, let's review Belkin fast charger. We are going to review with the Apple Pencil. Okay, so there is not much to show with the Apple Pencil. I'll put it aside. So this is from the brand called Belkin. It's Boost Charge Pro dual wall charger 65 watt. This is 65 watt charger, and yes, it really gives 65 watt. This is for the laptop, tablets, smartphone. This is fast charger technology, universal compatibility, and it has two USB-C port. So it doesn't mean the 65 watt is coming from these two. So if one port is 65 watt, other port will be as a 45 watt or 20 watt, depends on your phone or iPad or your Chromebook supports it. And here is a list of the different model it is supported, and this is GaN charger, that means gallium nitrate. So it doesn't heat much faster, and it is a fast and powerful design, and this GaN technology is considered to be the best for charging. And here is the back side. One is 65, one is 45 watt. We purchased it from Amazon. The price is around 5,999, but we got it in some discount. So this review I am doing after 1 month of usage, so it will be a true review. And yes, this is very important. It comes with 2-year warranty. Yeah, it comes with 2-year warranty, and it will ensure your connected device, either iPhone, either tablet or Chromebook or laptop, anything. It will give you 2,500 USD insurance if anything happen with while charging to your equipment. So let's unbox it. So there is a manual. Of course we don't read the manual. And in the box there is a charger, nothing else comes. There is no cable come with this charger. The cable is not supplied. You can use your own cable, and it's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy, and it's sturdy. It's sturdy. It feels solid, and yeah, it's universal. So even you can use it if you are into Europe. You can use it in Europe. And here, if you can see, yeah, 2 USB port, 65 or 45, and below is 20 or 65. So depends on your phone. So if you connect your phone, your phone supports, it will use 65 or 45 watt, whatever it is. But you can use, yes, you can use two USB-C both together. And it's from Belkin, and yes, it is officially supported by the Apple. So you can go for it. This charger, there is nothing much to speak about this charger. Like, I don't want to waste your time in the plastic quality, this, that. I don't want to waste your time. This is a good charger. You can go for it, and it will charge your iPad and iPhone very fast. And this is the real 65 watt charger. Yes, in market you will get many fake fast charger, but this is the real 65 watt fast charger. Go for it. You can go for it. I have used this for 1.5 months, and it doesn't fails me, and it's wonderful. So go for it. A big thumbs up again. And yes, if you want to see this Apple Pencil review as well, in the next video I will post it. So please like and comment. And this is unsponsored video channel. I have purchased it for the review. Belkin has not sponsored it, or they have not sent to us. This is the true review by a real user. So you can go for it. Don't waste your money in cheap chargers. Just buy, and it will make your mind happy. It will make you happy. It will not damage your expensive phones or tablet, because if you use the cheap quality or low price quality chargers, the current is not I can say not very filter out, not very well, and it might damage your equipments, because there is no protection circuit inside. If suddenly any burst of electric current is there, but this will help you to protect. And yes, if anything happens, you have 2500 USD insurance from Belkin. If anything happens to your iPhone or your iPad or any equipment while charging to them, so that's the big reason to go for it. No other company offer this. Thank you, and bye bye.